What is up, guys? It's Fixin' Femi here, and today we're doing a full restoration on this really smashed, bent up iPhone 6s Plus. So yeah, guys, this is my buddy's iPhone 6s Plus, and as you could tell, it is now a banana phone. It is really bad. Pretty much the backstory in this is he was working out and he was doing curls or something like that. It got stuck in between the machine and it just toasted it. So it does actually still function, which is insane. I have already gone ahead and disconnected the battery just so nothing else happened overnight or whatever. And yeah, let's go ahead and let's get started on fully restoring this thing. So he did end up giving me a parts phone, as this was another one of their phones that they just didn't need anymore. I got iCloud locked. So I will be putting everything over into a rose gold housing and a white screen. It's gonna look weird, but this is just gonna be a temporary phone. He just needs all of his stuff back and he's just gonna use it temporarily till he gets a new phone. So let's go ahead and let's get started. We're gonna go ahead and do just a full teardown and take everything out of this thing. There we go, we got the old screen off. Now let's go ahead and let's get this motherboard out. And there we go, we have the motherboard out. It is only very slightly bent, so he got extremely lucky. Extremely lucky. So let's go ahead and let's now put this motherboard into the good housing. Alright, we got the good housing here. Let's go ahead and let's put the good motherboard in. Alrighty, there we go. Looks like everything is all put back in. So let's go ahead and let's now transfer the old home button onto the new screen. Alright, there we go. We got the home button in. Now let's go ahead, let's button it up, and let's try it on. There we go. Here's the moment of truth. And there we go. She lives. Would you look at that? Awesome. I'll go ahead, test it out a little bit, do some things here and there, and then we'll go ahead and throw it back together. Alrighty, everything seems to be working fine. So let's go ahead and put this all back together. There we go, we're done. Let's go ahead and seal it up. Now I didn't put a new seal in it, as like I said earlier in the video, this is most likely just going to be a temporary thing. And just trying to get his phone working again. There we go, we're done. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like. Also subscribe, it just helps me out and it's free. If you guys want to see any other phones, computers, anything like that, leave them down in the description below. So yeah guys, I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.